What's up you guys, it's Steve here, and this is an unboxing video of the silver YouTube play button because this just arrived in the mail. This is the button, and it came for the Steve Ram channel. So I'm going to be unboxing this with you guys here on the channel for two main reasons. First, because this would not be made possible if it weren't for you guys. Thank you guys so much. Can't believe there's over 100,000 people here watching me on the channel. When I first started, it was just me watching my videos over and over so that way I could have some views on my videos. And then now a year later, 110,000 people here on the channel, which is just nuts to me. So thank you guys so much. And the second reason is this is going to make for a really great video. But seriously, you guys, I just want to say thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for joining me here on the channel. And if this is your first time here, the channel is all about economic news, stimulus, unemployment, Congress, the economy, keeping you up to date on the latest regarding money. I'm a real estate investor, so I got some videos on investing in real estate, stocks, stuff like that. But I'll keep you up to date. Thank you for joining, and we're going to be unboxing this. So smash the subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram at SteveRam3. Join the Patreon group if you'd like to get exclusive access to me and the stories before I post them on YouTube. And other than that, I don't have anything else to offer you other than unboxing this. So let's go ahead and do it. All right, so here we go. This is by far the best moment of my life. We're going to be unboxing this, and you can see here as we do so, there is this beautiful black stylish foam here protecting the button. And then we have, oh, what do we got here? So we got a card here. It says, this award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Thank you so much, Rick. And if any damage is done to it, I just go ahead and contact Rick. So that's awesome. And I've got this YouTube letter here, some 100,000 subscribers, just how far have you come? So, wow, thank you so much. It's congratulations from the YouTube CEO, Susan Wojcicki. So I'm pretty sure I mispronounced that, but thank you so much, Susan. Here's a look at the YouTube letter for you guys. Not sure if that's gonna focus for you, but you can see that's from the CEO of YouTube. So that is awesome. And here's a look at the official YouTube button, the Steve Ram button. Let me know, well, this isn't live, so you guys can't let me know, but hopefully you can see that. And it says, presented to Steve Ram for passing 100,000 subscribers, YouTube. So this is awesome. I can't believe it. I'm really shocked. When I started the channel, I had no idea that it would go this far. So you guys, I'll hang it up in the background. I know a lot of people have been getting on me about having stuff in the background, and not sure if you noticed, I updated the equipment. So the background now is blurred. So maybe right here, I'll hang up a blurred button. So when people join, they can see a blurred gray button in the background. But you guys, thank you so much. I hope that this content is helpful and that you enjoy it. I know that I truly enjoy it. It's really fulfilling to be able to help people with the latest information on what's happening with the economy and money. So I'm going to continue to do so. Thank you guys so much for being a part of the Ram fam. Hope you enjoy it. God bless. Take care. This is Steve.